Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are gonna make Eid card, and for that I'm gonna use this Camel watercolor cake palette and brush that is there in the color palette. That is not from the color palette, that is Camlin. I have brought it separately, water brush and then watercolor sheet, and this sheet is from Anupam company and the GSM is 200. The size of this sheet is A5 and I'm gonna make two ED cards from one sheet. Last but not the least, you need money for ED card, obviously, because we are gonna attach that with our card because these are ED cards. Now I'll just fold the paper in half and tear it. I'm gonna make 6 ED card. For that I need 3 papers because I'm gonna make ED card for my mother and father, then my 2 younger brother, and then my niece and nephew. So in total I'm gonna make 6 ED cards. I'm just tearing the paper with my hands, not using scissors or plates, anything. If you want, you can use scissors or paper cutter, but here I'm using my hands. So now we have 6 cards, so let's bismillah. So I'm starting by making that simple rose composition which you have seen several times. Like, I have been making this from a very long time. So again, the same floral composition I'm gonna make here. And this card, inshallah, I'm gonna give it to my niece. Now second card will be for my mama, and I don't want to make this rose composition because I have been making it and that is very common. So here I'm trying a different flower, and the petals of the flowers you have to make it just like the way you make double pattern leaves, like double stroke वाली जो हम leaves बनाते हैं, it is exactly like that. So it's very easy, you can also try it out. Just in between give random lines. So on camera it is not looking that pretty, but in reality it was the most beautiful card, and like out of everyone this was the prettiest one. That is why it is for my mama. And you should also give your parents Eid or some kind of a gift because they deserve the most. Okay, this one I wanted to make some other flower, but at the end I make the peony one. And the color palette for this composition will be blue, yellow and light green, and this is the best composition if you are making something for boys. So I like this composition for them. Although I'm not satisfied with the whole composition because ऐसे बेहतर composition मैं बना सकती थी, ये कहीं ना कहीं it's not that good, but ban gaya, so we're gonna utilize it. Now this Eid card is for Baba, and I thought that I should make something else, but ultimately I was bored and मेरा mind भी ज़्यादा नहीं चल रहा था, so I just made a floral composition making blue roses. Okay, there is nothing like blue roses, but obviously this is my composition, so I'm gonna decide what kind of a flower and what kind of a color I'm gonna use. So the next Eid card is for my younger brother, and the color which I'm using is burnt sienna and green color along with that. So I hope he likes it because it's very moody. And okay, so whatsoever, this is the one which I'm making for him. So the green which I'm gonna use in this composition will be Viridian hue, because I have used sap green a lot. You can use the sap green one, it will also look good, but I have used in almost every composition the sap green, so that's why I'm using Viridian hue in this one. So this card is for my younger brother. The last one was for my youngest brother. So this is one who is younger than me. So it is for him. He's a fitness freak, so he wanted something like that. So that's why I've just made the dumbbells and I'm just coloring it out. That's it. No flowers or anything. So now I'll just write Eid Mubarak and the person whom I'm giving this Eid card. That's it. And I'm using Tombow Fantasy brush pen. a fine tip brush pen. So basically I had to make a hole and then I had to keep the money in it, but I dropped that idea. I just gave this Eid card along with the money because I was tired on that day and it was already the fourth day of Eid was over and I didn't give anyone any Eid, so I was lazy enough to make a hole and then to keep the money and everything, so I just gave them the card along with the money. I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. Do let me know if you like it or not. Lastly, I used this corner cutting punch and it gave a very sharp round edges to the ET cards. That was all for today and I hope you liked the video. Do try it out and let me know how it turned out, and do subscribe for more.